What's up guys, it's your girl Chisoni and I'm back with another video for y'all, and today I'm gonna talk about 6 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel in 2020 going into 2021. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, share, like, and hit the notification bell if you really want to see more videos from me. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, girl, boy, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button for me, please, 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 please. And yes guys, so the first thing you need to do or need to know about starting a YouTube channel, just go ahead and do it. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and do it. My first video that I make for YouTube, it was like, I was shy. You can see it in the video. I was like, I don't know, if you go back and watch it, you'll see my reaction, and I believe that I grew confidence. No, I'm getting into, you know, the motion of doing YouTube videos and sitting down talking to y'all on this phone. Also, another thing is that you have to have a lot of time to do YouTube. You really have to have a lot of time to do YouTube, and you really have to, you know, edit and all kind of stuff. But if you see me looking down, please don't mind me. I'm really looking at my notes. So I have 6 things you need to have before starting your YouTube channel. So the first one is you have to have a camera. I'm sorry. You'd really have to have a camera. If you don't have a camera, then it doesn't make sense you start a YouTube channel. So you have to have a camera. It doesn't have to be the professional cameras. You can also use your phone. As long as your phone have a camera, you can just go right ahead and start your channel. The next one is lighting equipment. So when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't have any equipment, only my camera, which is my phone, my iPhone. So guys, my thing is, if you don't what's wrong with me, if you don't have any lighting equipment, just go ahead and just start your video. Use the natural sunlight. God created the sun for us, so why not use the sun to give you that perfect lighting? What I normally do, because I didn't have any lighting equipment, I used to wait for the sun to come out, and when the sun is actually out, I sit at my window and I film. So yes guys, but another thing you can use as a lighting equipment is get a ring light. A ring light works really good, and now I have a ring light, and that's what I'm using for my lighting equipment. So the next one is you must learn how to do video editing. I had to search YouTube to learn how to do video editing, and if you don't go ahead and practice, then you won't learn how to do it. So go do your research, look it up, and it will really help you. And some video editing software that I use is iMovie, KineMaster, Video Leap, and Splice. I mostly use 2 of the video editing software, and it's the Video Leap an iMovie. Yes guys, so if you're not familiar with these video editing software, just go ahead and use YouTube and watch other videos about them. They really work, and it did work for me. And as I said before, if you don't practice, as they say, practice makes perfect. So you really do have to practice for you to really get it right. So the next one is, which is number 4, microphones. I'm working on getting a microphone for myself as well. Well, there are microphones out there, and just do your research, as I said before, and just use what you have, guys. Use what you have, because down the line you'll get the equipment that you really need. The 5th one is tripod, right? You can get yourself a tripod, but with the ring light, it comes with the, I forgot what you call it, but it's similar to the tripod, where you have the ring light and the little thing that holds the phone. If you understand what I'm saying, maybe I'll show you guys if you don't know what a ring light is. But yeah, get yourself a ring light. It has the light and it has the thing that holds the phone for you. So the 6th one is pictures. What's wrong with me with these words? Pictures editing apps, right? So for you to start your YouTube channel, you have to be very creative in making a thumbnail. And thumbnails to me is really important, because it helps to draw attention or draw people to your videos. So a few things that you can use in your video editing, picture editing, is Canva. I use Canva, and Canva is really a good software, because it's like all you need to do is just go on the app, and it's already made for you. You can do it yourself if you want to, and recreate it using the ones that they have, right? I also use PixArt to remove my background, and you also have a next app called Eraser. Guys, I'll probably put the apps somewhere here along the way. So yeah, you have Eraser. It helps to erase the background from your pictures, right? And BuzzArts. If you ever seen someone or any of your favorite YouTubers who use these pictures of themselves that looks like they cut it out and outline it with different colors, you can use BuzzArt for that. It really helps. And a next thing is you can use Fonto. When I just started this YouTube channel, I use Fonto to create my fonts and the what do you call it again, the YouTube banner. That's what I started to use. But as I said before, use Canva, because I use Canva. Canva is the best, guys. Canva, it has, I'm gonna show you guys a few clips of how Canva looks like. Then I use PhotoGrid. Sometimes I use PhotoGrid. And if you don't know what PhotoGrid is, as I said before, just do your research and everything will be good. Just use what you have and just do it. Don't let nobody stop you from creating this channel. I am a shy person, so when it comes to talk, I know a lot of you know that I really don't talk a lot, even back in high school. And sitting in front of the camera helps me to grow out of my shyness a little bit, and I'm still working on a few stuff. But yes guys, just go ahead and create your very first video and you'll get through it just as I did. So this is the end of the video, and I hope that you learned something, and remember to be blessed and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and if you're not a part of the family, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that red button, as I said before. And if you're a returning family member of Miracle, thank you for keep supporting this channel. I really appreciate you guys, and have a blessed day. Love you guys.